Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to speak English with strangers. Guys, when it comes to speak with strangers, we feel uncomfortable and we are not able to speak English well. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can talk in English with strangers. I think you will definitely like this video. So here I'm gonna give you some wonderful tips. So the first one is introduce yourself. When you are talking with anyone in English, you must introduce yourself. Like when you introduce yourself, you are familiar with each other and definitely you can talk well. The second one is speak clearly. Yes, this is an amazing point or amazing tip. Speak clearly. Whenever you are talking with the strangers, you must speak clearly, because when you speak clearly, the other person is able to understand you properly. So you must speak clearly. The next one is use simple language. Try to use as much as simple language you can, because when you use simple language, anyone can easily understand and you can have a better communication with each other. The next one is ask questions. Yes, whenever you're going to talk with anyone in English language, you should ask questions. When you ask questions, you are familiar with each other and you come to know each other very well. The next one is listen actively. Yes, you must listen actively. You don't need to only talk, but you also need to listen, and you must listen actively, because when you are listening, the other person will think that he's listening me understanding well, and definitely will understand well. Listen actively. Keep patience. Yes, you need to keep patience while talking with the strangers in English, because when you keep patience, you will understand the other person well, that what that person is speaking, and you can also give the answer easily. And the last one is use proper body language. Guys, everyone loves the proper body language, and you must use. So, in this video, I told you some tips to talk in English with strangers, and I think when you apply all these tips, definitely you can talk anyone in English, or maybe with the strangers also. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.